how to use Mithril in Whiteout survival. So, Mithril is a valuable resource used for crafting and upgrading equipment, helping to improve your survival capabilities. So, in order to get them, it's basically exploration, resource gathering, completing special tasks and missions, event rewards, trading or shop, or looting from enemies or bosses. Now, in order to use Mithril, you're gonna have to craft higher tier items. So basically, Mithril is only used on advanced tools, weapons, and equipment. So these items usually offer better stats, technically. So on these guys, I can't show you it because I don't have that feature yet, but you're gonna need better items to use the actual Mithril. So it can also be used for unlocking new technology, special items, or resources. But anyway, to get to that point, it's just mainly just keep upgrading your city, man. Get your furnaces up and everything else, all the features and equipment will also go up with that. So if this video helped you, look at this, there's a fish. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.